Happy New Year's, you guys. Happy 2024. This is gonna be my first official video for this year. I just got my Daily Charme box in the mail. And of course I wanted to unbox it with you guys. The last charm box we got was amazing, but I know that there's a special collab in here. They kind of teased it the last time that they were gonna collab with another brand, but they wouldn't say who it was. But yeah, so there's a product in here that was in collaboration with somebody else, and I cannot wait to see who it is. So let's go ahead and crack into this and just see what's in this box. By the way, let me know, are you guys subscribed to the Daily Charme box? Because if you're not, come on. If you are unfamiliar with the Charme Box, this is a bi-monthly subscription service for nails. You get lots of products. It's $50, I believe. You get all types of nail art like stickers, nail charms. You get foils, items to decorate your nails with. You get nail gels in there, just a bunch of goodies for a great price. And this is every 2 months. This is a Valentine's Day themed box. We get the release that always comes in these boxes. And then we have the little card that comes in the box where it tells you exactly what comes inside, all the prices, whether or not they're limited edition. If you're not familiar with this box, there are items that are limited edition to this box only, so you cannot buy it outside of this box. Okay, so there's this card from the girls crew, and it looks like care instructions. Interesting. I'm gonna take this item out first. Oh, okay, cool. These are like lint-free wipes. Oh, in the shape of a heart. I'll be honest with you, I'm not a fan of these type of wipes with the holes in it, because when I pump it over like my alcohol, it squirts. So I don't typically use these type of wipes, but I mean, I'm gonna use it. I'm not gonna let it go to waste. So that is really cute. That is the Pink Heart lint-free wipes. And these are gonna be launching on February 1st for $5. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the special collab, and this is a bonus item, and this is the, yeah, so it is the collab. DCX Girls Crew collab ring. We hope you love the adjustable ring as much as we do. Oh my goodness. Wow. You guys, look at this ring. Gosh, and this is a $38 ring. This is the one of the bonus items. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna have to stop this unboxing for now. I'm not gonna look at any more because my neighbors are playing some music in the background, which YouTube is very strict when it comes to copyright. So I'm gonna hold off on this unboxing so that way I don't get any kind of copyright strike. So to be continued. Okay, you guys, I'm finally back. It's been a couple of days. The second time I tried to start filming, music came on again. So it's been a couple of days. We're gonna get back into this charm box because I've been dying to see what's in it. So far, I've been so excited with what I've seen. We left off with the ring that they collabed with Girls Crew, and that ring was beautiful. Okay, so we have the heart lint wipes. We also have some sticker sheets. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm getting like total wedding vibes from this, but wow, it's like, it's supposed to be like little pearl. Wow, these are so cute, very dainty. I love that. That would be amazing for like wedding nails. And then we have some white holographic flowers. I love getting sticker sheets from Daily Charme. I love getting anything from Daily Charme. So this is the white iridescent rose DC sticker, and it is newly launched as of the 1st of January. And then they also have the pearly dotted heart sticker, slightly embossed and just so cute with a small aurora pearl. Oh yeah, I didn't realize that the pearl was aurora, and that is newly launched as of January 1st. The pearl stickers are $7.50 and the roses are $5. We also got some Twinkle Twinkle rhinestones. All the rhinestones are so gorgeous, very, very shiny. This one is the color Pink and Fuchsia AB. They are available separately, it says, and it's newly launched as of January 1st for $12. We also got, looks like 2 foil sheets. This kind of looks like an oil slick design, and then a pink polka dotted holographic one. There you go. They have the pink iridescent foil, which is a beautiful rainbow tie-dye effect. $3, and this is limited to this box only. And then they also have the pink holographic foil, super sparkly and colorful, but still pink, limited to this box also for $3. So both of these foils are only limited to these boxes. You can't get it on their website. We also got these really pretty heart charms. Oh my gosh, these are cool. I've never seen anything like this. They come with pink, red, and black. So this is the Heart Studs box set. Perfect little hearts in metallic red, pink, and black. And it's limited to this box only for $7. So you can't pick this up on their website. It looks kind of like aluminum. That's kind of what I'm getting. Very interesting. These are so pretty. I like that you get a lot. Oh, we have another bonus item, which is a little heart keychain. Heart vegan keychain, $5. Oh, sweet. So we have a nail art ink pen. This is the color red. I have their gold one, which honestly, I don't even think I've used it. So we have the red nail art ink micro pen, available in 8 new colors. Oh, okay. $8, newly launched as of January 1st. We also got some glitters. Okay, so it looks like one of these are glitter and the other one is like a flocking powder. So the pink velvet flocking powder is $2.50. I'm guessing it's not new or anything. And then you have the dreamy pink hex glitter. So these are little hexagons and it is limited to this box only for $3.75. Oh, here's another little bonus item. This is an actual candy, heart candy. Happy Valentine's Day XOXO. That's super cute. I wonder what that tastes like. Okay, so we have some little charms. We have the Enchanted Rose Charm Mix, which is newly launched as of January 1st for $8. Also very cute, so cute. We have the Aurora balloon teddy bears, which are newly launched as of January 1st for $4.50. These are adorable. We have some random pink charms. There's bows, lips, moons, roses, candies, just a little assortment. These are $4.50 and it's limited to this box only. And then we have an assortment of resin bows. So the bows are $4.50, newly launched as of January 1st. And then last but not least, we have 2 charm gels. I love that they're putting 2 gels in the boxes again. So here are the 2 gels. We have the color Feel Cute and Charmed. So the Feel Cute Charm Gel is a pastel pink jelly with rainbow sparkles, $18, newly launched as of January 1st. And then the Charmed Charm Gel is a hollow rosy pink. Apparently this is a new formula and it is $18. Okay guys, so that was everything that was in the Valentine's Charm Box. Let me know in the comments which product was your favorite. I definitely think the ring was my favorite, surprisingly. It is just so cute. If they have any spots open, I would definitely recommend signing up and trying out this subscription service because it's a great way to build your nail collection. It's a great way to build your daily charm collection. Super affordable. It's bi-monthly. You're able to skip it if you don't want to do it for that next month. I would just definitely recommend checking it out. So check the description if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me as always. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.